Stop paying $20 a month for AI. Google is quietly giving away their most powerful models, completely free, and almost nobody is using it. It's called AI Studio, and in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to use it like a pro, including the feature at the end that freelancers are literally billing clients with. First, what is it? AI Studio is Google's own playground for their Gemini models, the same brains behind their paid products. Go to aistudio.google.com and sign in with any Google account. That's it. No credit card, no trial, no waitlist. You're now talking to one of the smartest models on the planet for free. On the right side, you pick your model. The Pro model is the deep thinker. Use it for hard problems, long documents, and code. The Flash model is the speed demon. Perfect for everyday questions and quick summaries. Paid chatbots lock you into one brain. Here, you get the whole roster. Now the first Pro move, system instructions. This box tells the AI who to be before the conversation even starts. Type, you are a senior marketing copywriter. Keep every answer under 200 words, and from then on, every reply follows your rules. This is how you turn a generic chatbot into a specialist employee. Next, the superpower nobody talks about, context size. You can drop entire books, 100-page PDFs, or a whole project folder into one conversation, and ask questions across all of it at once. People pay monthly subscriptions for tools that do exactly this, and honestly, they do it worse. And it's not just text. Upload an image and ask what's in it. Upload audio and get a transcript. Even upload a video and ask for a summary with timestamps. That's 3 or 4 paid subscriptions, quietly replaced by one free tab in your browser. Here's where the money angle kicks in. That Get API Key button gives you free access to plug Gemini into your own scripts, spreadsheets, and apps within generous free limits. Freelancers are charging real money for AI automations that run entirely on this free tier. The client pays for the result. The engine costs you nothing. Let's make it concrete. Take a messy 1-hour meeting recording, drop it into AI Studio. Ask for a transcript, then a summary, then an action list and a table. That's 5 minutes of your time, and it's a deliverable that assistants and agencies invoice real money for every single day. 2 quick tips before you go build something. 1. AI Studio is a developer playground, and Google can use free tier conversations to improve their models, so keep truly sensitive data out of it. 2. If Pro ever feels slow, just switch to Flash. Free has trade-offs, but at $0, they're very hard to complain about. So, be honest, are you still paying for a chatbot after this? Tell me in the comments what that $20 is going to now. If this saved you money, the like button is free too. I've got a full video on 7 more free AI tools, and one on turning any PDF into a podcast, both linked below. Subscribe. This is AI Amplified. AI, actually explained. See you in the next one.